Pleasant morning to all my dear students. Today 25th of September 2020. Okay, today we are going to start our new chapter, that is the Happy Prince. Today we will discuss its PPT and mind map. Okay, here it is the mind map, student. So let's have that look in the mind map. The Happy Prince, actually it is a statue on a tall column of the city. Happy Prince. It was gridded all over. He had thin lips of gold, fine gold, two bright sapphire for eyes. उसकी आँखों में दो चमकीले नीलम लगे थे. And a large ruby glowed on his sword hilt. और उसकी तलवार पर एक बड़ी मणि चमक रही थी. So एक ऐसा स्टैचू था ये हैप्पी प्रिंस का on the tall column in the city, right? So a little bird, swallow, sits on the statue. One day a little swallow came and sit on the statue. But as he going to sleep, a large drop of water fell on it. Firstly it thought that it is rain, but after that the bird realized that it was the weeping or the tears of Happy Prince statue. Okay. The statue spoke to the swallow. It was alive at that time. What tears were. His courtiers, he told that his courtiers called him Happy Prince. Right? So in this way, we can see the statue of Happy Prince can speak. So he spoke to the little swallow. Then he asked little swallow to help him, right? So he asked happy swallow to help him, and the little swallow bird, he promised to help, but he will not remain a longer time. Then he asked, the Happy Prince told the swallow that there is a woman. Okay, there is a woman who is a seamstress who had a sick boy, isn't it? There is a woman who is a seamstress, means जो सिलाई करती है वो है, और उसका बच्चा बहुत बीमार है. What you will do? You just go and give a ruby from take out a ruby from the sword and give it to, take care. You just pick up a ruby from his sword hilt and give to that woman. उसने कहा कि एक रूबी मेरे तलवार से निकालो और उस गरीब औरत को जाके देख के आओ, राइट? सो whatever the Happy Prince told, the swallow did the same thing. Next, he was waited, the Happy Prince requested him, he was again waited that he want to go to Egypt. Swallow told that my all friends have already gone and I am staying here, so I also want to go along with them. But again Happy Princess requested him and to stay one night also. The swallow agreed. He picked up, the swallow flew back to the Happy Prince. He told that he felt warm. The Happy Princess told them it was because he had done a good act. The swallow wanted to fly, but he told the swallow that he told that a poor writer. Then he gave one more options, that a poor writer to buy food and firewood and to finish the play, he wants some money. So देखा कि एक बहुत गरीब लेखक है, उसके पास खाने को नहीं, उसके पास गर्म रहने को, इतनी भरी सर्दी में गर्म तपने के लिए भी कुछ नहीं था. तो हैप्पी प्रिंस ने कहा कि मेरी एक आँख का सफ़ेर ले लो और जाके उस गरीब लेखक को दे दो ताकि वो उसकी वो ज़रूरतों को पूरा कर सके. तो इस तरह से एक आँख से सफ़ेर ले लिया गया, राइट? Then the swallow decided to leave the Happy Prince. The swallow then told that one more girl is there. There was a little match girl, okay, who had no shoes and warm clothes. एक छोटी सी लड़की है जो सारी माचिस है, जिसकी सारी माचिसें नाली में गिर जाती हैं और वो रो रही होती. तो उसने कहा कि एक और सफ़ेर एक आइस से ले लो तुम और उस मैच गर्ल को जाके दे दो ताकि उसका हो जाएगा. The swallow said that if one more sapphire I will give, then how you can see? तुम कैसे देखोगे? तुम देख नहीं सकोगे. You will become blind. उसने कहा कोई बात नहीं. Then the swallow removed one of its sapphire from his eyes and gave it to that match girl. After that, means all these things, the happy prince did all these good things. ये सारी अच्छी चीज़ की. The swallow tells the prince what he sees in the town. The prince become now blind. The happy prince become now blind. Then the swallow decides not to go to Egypt anymore. उसके बाद swallow ने decide किया कि वो happy prince को छोड़ के नहीं जा सकता. Then after some days, okay, the prince can't move now. The swallow flies to give rubies, sapphires to the poor people. Now the happy prince become blind also. After some time, after some days, the statue breaks. Winter sets in and the swallow feel very cold. उसे बहुत ठंड महसूस होने लगी. And after that, the princess leaden heart hand snapped right into two. उसका हार्ट दो टुकड़ों में बट गए. And the swallow dies in the fit. और उस बर्ड की डेथ होगी उसी के पैरों पे, फिट पे जाके गिरा. और जैसे उसकी डेथ हुई, प्रिंसेस लेडन के स्टैचू के दो टुकड़े हो गए थे. So here it shows the relationship between the swallow and the little bird. Okay, the swallow just decide to help and he stay with the prince and he had not left him. An angel brought the dead bodies of swallow and the princess heard to God. This is the most precious things in the city, they thought. एंजल फरिश्ते आए, दूत आए, भगवान के दूत आए और उन्होंने स्वेलो की बॉडी और प्रिंसेस का हार्ट वहाँ से ले लेकर के सबसे कीमती चीज़ है इस शहर की. तो इस तरह से हैप्पी प्रिंस, दो इट वॉज ए स्टैचू बट इट हेल्प द पुअर, द नीडी पीपल, एंड फॉर दिस गुड डिड्स swallow helped him lot. So from this we can learn that a bird can help the human also if we have a trust on them. Okay, so this is a very interesting story, students. I hope you must like it. We can go to the detailed study, right? I hope whatever we discuss, it must clear to you. Now student, this is the PPT of your chapter, The Happy Prince. Okay, so here the Happy Prince, adapted from Oscar Wilde, isn't it? So here it in this PPT, high above the city, a tall column stood the statue of the Happy Prince. Okay, he was gilded all over with thin leaves of fine gold, and for eyes he had two sapphires, and bright sapphires, and a large red ruby glowed on his sword हिट. सो उस स्टैचू के पास, उस स्टैचू में एक ऐसी क्वालिटी थी कि इट वॉज कम्प्लीटली गिल्डेड विद गोल्ड लीव्स. ओके, उसके पूरे बॉडी पर गोल्ड लीव्स का था और उसके दो सैफायर्स की आइज थी एंड ए रूबी इज़ देयर इन द सोड, और उसके सोड में रूबी लगा हुआ था. वन डे अ लिटिल स्वेलो अराइव्ड इन द सिटी. ही वॉज गोइंग टू इजिप्ट एज विंटर एंड हिज फ्रेंड्स हैड ऑलरेडी गॉन देयर. ओके, so his friends had gone to Egypt. When he saw the statue of the prince, he decided to take rest. When he saw it, he decided to take rest there. It seems then he think that it seems to be nice place to sleep. So wow, today sleep in the golden bed. Swallow told that today it will sleep on the golden bed. He liked it. Why I am getting drenched? It's not even raining. उसने देखा कि कुछ पानी की बूंद आके उस पर गिरी, तो उसने सोचा कि बारिश तो हो ही नहीं रही, तो फिर ये पानी की बूंद कहाँ से आके गिरी. When he looked up, he saw Happy Prince was crying. He asked the prince about the reason of his sadness. Then he asked it, what is the reason why you are crying? Okay. Then the Happy Prince gave its story about it, that when he was alive, had a human heart, answered the statue. He did not know what tears were. And for I lived in the palace where sorrow is not allowed to enter it. okay, where it is not at all, enter it. In the daytime I played with companions, and like this I didn't saw any type of misery, any type of sorrow in my city. So he told about his story. So then, why don't you help me? The happy prince asked. I have to leave to Egypt. The swallow bird said कि मुझे इजिप्ट जाना है, मुझे रहना नहीं है. Please little swallow, in the same time street there is a boy, he is ill, but his mother can't buy medicine. My feet are fastened and I can't go. If you only help me, please. The little bird did the same, whatever instruction was given from the happy prince. Okay, so he helped her by giving a ruby from the servant and helped the ill boy. And day after day, night after night, little swallow helped all the poor people in the city, and with the gold and gems from the prince statue. And even though it was getting colder and colder, he stayed with his friend, didn't left him. Okay, he promised to be with him forever. One cold winter, when there was no gold for gems left in the prince's statue, the little swallow lied in his friend's feet and died. The following morning, all the wise men of the city decided to put out the prince statue, and it was ugly and old. They decided to take out. So they melted the iron to make a new statue. Then they threw the swallow away. But the prince's heart couldn't be melted by the fire. Prince का heart melt नहीं हुआ fire में, कितने ही आग लगा दी. It was thrown away with the swallow. One day God asked to one of his angels to bring him the two nicest things of the city in the earth. दो अच्छी चीज़ लाने को कहा एंजल को. And the angel brought the prince's heart and the swallow's body, and God said, और उसने princess के heart और swallow की body को लेके आया. You have rightly chosen in my garden of paradise this little bird, and the city of the gold, the happy prince shall praise him. ये दो चीज़ in the garden of paradise will remain forever. It will not change it. Okay, so it will remain forever. So this is our story, The Happy Prince. I hope this mind map and PPT will definitely clear you or describe you the whole story. Okay.